G'day guys, so it's Wednesday, which means it's review day, and I hope that all of you had an awesome Christmas and got lots of locks and lock picking stuff. I'm absolutely stuffed right at the moment, because I worked Christmas Day. I was at an hour's sleep, got up at 5, went to worked all day, and then got home, and by the time I did everything with the kids and raced around, it was a big day. So we just had our Christmas tea, family one tonight being Boxing Day, and man, I ate like a pig and now I'm paying for it. But anyway, on to the review. Well, this is what I'm reviewing today. It is a box. Really nice box actually. Nice little white one. It's got a little bit of a code written on there. It's got a very nice barcode with the code up top there, so pretty nice. A little bit dinged up. No, not really. It's what's in here. That's the review, which is more boxes that are all numbered. You can probably tell what this is now just by looking at the numbers. So if I take that off and I'll go down so you can see what's going on. Be alright. So we've got 4 boxes here, numbered 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, I've been playing around with these and I must say I am quite impressed. Especially with one of them, and I'll show you why. But this is the Sparrows Progressive lock set. The numbering refers to how many pins it's got. So as you progress through, so you can't start off with 1 pin. That's just too easy. So you start off with number 2, which has got 2 pins. 3 is pinned up to 3. 4. There's 4 pins, and then 5, the lock is fully populated with 5 pins. These are all standards in these, but these are a tool to help you progress through your lock picking. So when it comes to, trying to work out your feel and all that, these are absolutely fantastic. And as I said, I have been picking and playing around with these. So we'll start off with number 2. And open him up. Now, just like the cutaway that I reviewed, these are the same brass bodied locks that Sparrows brought out. It's got that awesome logo just there and on the side, and these are repinnable if you want. But as you can see, it's got stuck on the front here, or etched into it, is the number 2. So this one's populated with 2 pins. I'll get the key out. So again, standard lock over in the USA. You've got the Schlag style keyway, and this key here, the first 2 pins are populated, which are about the same height, same cut. So start off picking the 2, and really easy to pick the 2. But as I say, this is, so you can learn and speed up. So I will use these for my videos that I'm doing the series over the on Sundays, which is new videos for beginners. A full-on series that'll take you through, pretty much cover all the topics that you need to know, and it will help you when you first start out, which is an awesome series. I'm hoping to really help out people and help them with their progression and their enjoyment of the sport. So as you can see, this one's 3. Again, this one's quite easy to pick, the same keyway on all of these. And so here we've got super high cut, highest possible cut. So these are the first 3 pins. I think it's my daughter kicking the wall then. Populated, so that's why it's got number 3. Again, works beautifully. And quite easy to pick as well, especially for an advanced picker. For a beginner, you know, this is the way you want to start out. Now we'll move on to 4. So again, same high quality lock that you expect as all the others. Now, this one, I don't know if it's just the box of locks they sent me, but that is almost like challenge lock bitting that you want. Super low cut right at the front, then you've got high cut, another high cut, and then highest possible cut again. So to try and get in right to the back and set the 4th pin, which is that super high cut just there, without oversetting one, it's just awesome, I must say. For a beginner, that is actually probably a little bit too much for someone that's just starting out, but again, works beautifully, and these are awesome quality. The feel, the feedback, everything you get from these, absolutely fantastic. Just like the cutaway from Sparrows. Get that one back in there. So this is like everything you need when you first start, like picking locks, all standards, and progressively pin them up. Once you master all this, then you can probably, you know, pin up the 2-1 with serrated or spools and work your way up the amount of spools, then go use serrated pins, mushrooms, whatever you want, and build them up as you go through. And then 5, you can have a mix of mushrooms and serrated. Number 5, I'll get the key out. Again, this one is all populated. So we've got some pretty good bitting. Got low, high, medium, super high, and a low cut at the back. But for a beginner, these are absolutely fantastic. I mean, they're going to help you out a lot. So then you know this one's got 5, so it's got 5 pins. Absolutely fantastic. I really am impressed with these. And, you know, starting off, these all have different binding orders and everything, as you'd expect in a lock. So it's pretty much like taking a normal lock, putting 2 pins in, picking it till you get used to that, then taking all out, putting another pin in and building it up. But this way it's all done, ready to go for you, so you can work your way up the amount of pins. For a beginner, I would highly recommend this. And in the coming up Sundays videos that I'm doing, I will actually show you a good way of incorporating these as well as the Sparrows clear training lock that they've got. So you can see the one I already reviewed, the clear training lock. I'll take you through a way that will help you, where you start off with one of these with all the pins, but then you move on to these. There'll be a way to incorporate both these into one to show you how I would recommend, and the way I reckon is a good idea of learning. But that's for future videos, so you can look forward to that one and scratch your heads over what I'm talking about. But as you want to know, price for these. Well, let me go back up here. Now, if you head over to www.locksmithstoolbox.com, this set here, which weighs quite a bit, they have for $60 Australian, which is absolutely awesome for a full-on set of progressive locks. That is an absolute bargain. But, I will say but, if you head over there now, they actually have a sale on where you can save $10, so you can pick this up for $50. This is the Sparrows Progressive Lock Set. They sell it for $50. I really think that is worth it for the amount you're going to learn, and you can teach other people lock picking with it, and you can pass it on to someone else once you've finished with it. For that price, absolutely fantastic. I would recommend that for a beginner, no doubt. So, absolutely awesome. But that's our review for this Wednesday. It's Boxing Day, and I know it's a little bit dragged out, but I'm so full of food right now, it's not funny. But anyway, I hope you all had an awesome Christmas and got lots of lock picks and locks and all the awesome stuff that you get this time of year. But anyway, as always follow the codes, keep Locksport legal, don't go doing anything stupid. As I was saying, please check out locksmithstoolbox.com. Absolutely fantastic, very competitive prices. Highly recommend them. Please hit that subscribe button. As you know, I try to make 2 to 3 to 4 videos per week. Normally Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays I put up videos of onto YouTube. Please come and join us on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers. I cannot recommend that enough. Absolutely fantastic. Don't forget, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, where I put up photos of what's going on in the background, with the reviews and all the fun stuff that happens around here. If you want to get in contact with me, you can contact me through any of the social medias, or send us an email at darkheartslockpicking@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. And yeah, till next time, cheers guys.